welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to do an eyeshadow tutorial using the Beauty The Essentials palette. And this is more of a soft neutrals palette, so we're not doing anything wild today. And we will see what we come up with. I don't even know what colors I'm going to use yet. Probably, I mean, this palette is like pinks and browns, so, and some gold. So we're gonna probably stick with like the pinks and the brown and see. Just a soft neutral look is what I'm going for. I have my favorite background up. I already have my tape on. So before this video, you'll see another video where I started using my tape again. I really like the way my eyes come out when I use the tape because it's very, very precise and very clean, and then the lines are very like straight. When I do it myself, the lines aren't as straight, but you can't tell. But with the tape, it comes out like perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this look. This palette does have color names, which I like, so I will call out the colors, and then of course I'll just hold it up and show you. So I'm gonna jump into this color first, which is Fresh Air, and start throwing that in my crease. Okay, and then to deepen that up, I'm going to use a color right next to it, which is called Dusk. So this palette I got from TJ Maxx. It was like $6.99. They do still have these Beauty palettes. There's like 4 different kinds. I do have all 4, but my favorites are like the ones with like the color, which I already did a tutorial on. It's called You Had Me at Aloha. I really like that one. I actually went back and picked up a couple extra palettes of some of the same palettes that I found at TJ Maxx, so that when I do a giveaway, I can share the palettes that I like using that I found that were really affordable. So make sure you subscribe so that way when I do the giveaway, you don't miss out on it. I don't know when I'm doing the giveaway. I'm actually just right now like collecting makeup for the giveaway, and I'm mainly going to TJ Maxx and collecting like palettes that I really like, or just anything that I found that I really like to use and that I think you'll like to use, and that's all I'm doing right now. So stay tuned, subscribe, and you won't miss out. Make sure you're commenting so that I can see who's active in the comments, and that way you have a better chance of being a winner when I do a giveaway. Alright, I'm going to go into this color. It's called Luxe. It's like this dusty pink rose color. And I'm just going to put it at the front here. I'm not taking it all the way back. I'm going to build it up right in the front. And then right here where they meet, I'm just making sure that they blend well. Now this one didn't come out. It looks like a dusty rose pink in there, but I don't feel like it's showing up on my lid. Let's try just peachy. I mean, it's showing up, just not showing up the same color that it is in the pan. This is why I like bold looks, because I like you to be able to see from a distance, and it does have some like fallout because you can see like the little eyeshadow dust flying around, but I like you to be able to see like my eyeshadow from a distance. And I feel like when you do, or when I do like a soft neutral color, like you barely notice that it's there. And why spend all this time to do makeup that you barely see? Okay, next we're going to dip into, and I'm not going to cut my crease or anything. Maybe I should. I'm trying to think, because let me swatch, because I don't even know what I'm going to use. It's either this shimmer shade, or this shimmer shade. So let's see what these look like. Okay, so they look like this. This is really like a neutral look. You're almost not gonna even know I'm wearing eyeshadow. So I think I like this pink here, which is the color Grateful. And that's what's gonna go on my lid. So let's go ahead and take that on an eyeshadow brush. I might need to take that on my finger because it's not picking up on the brush very well. Yeah, so let me see if I take it on my finger. There we go. This shadow, like these shimmers here that I'm using, are very soft and buttery in the pan. So when I'm patting them, like you can see, it's kind of moving around, it's pressing in because that's how soft they are. So this color is almost like you can't notice it. I think it would work great as like a topper, but on its own, I'm just building it up because I want it to be shown. Okay, so let me try a different brush and see. Yeah, when you're like digging in the pan with it, it's almost like it's moving around almost like a jelly. And you can't even, like, I have it on the brush, but you can't even really see that it's there. Okay, so I'm going to go into, because I need to do something. I need this to be a little bit, I want to say loud or bolder. Okay, let's take Morning Coffee here, and I'm going to, this is like a brown shade, I'm just going to pat this right here. And I will take like my blending brush and blend this in. I just want the pigment, so I'm going to use this first and then blend it out like that. And then we'll dab it in there, and then I'm going to just take it on the edge and then slowly working my way up, and I'll start patting when I get near this shimmer shade, so that way I don't knock any of that glitter out. Okay, so blend here, and then when you get near where they're starting to meet, you just pat it. It'll help it blend in and look like it's transitioning. Alright, and so this was Morning Coffee, which looks pretty deep. Now I'm going to stick to Brow Bar and Hot Cocoa on the outer edge here only, and I'm going to mix those two. And I'm not going to bring it too forward, I'm actually just stopping once I hit this corner right here. And I'm blending it just to that point. So from this outer point up until I hit, like, there's like a little dip here in my eye when I hit like this outer corner. And I just stop and go back and forth from there. Like that. Going up into my crease about halfway. All right. So like that. I feel like I need like something more. Let me get one of my liners or my liquid eyeshadows that I like to use as liners and then come right back. So I pulled out my Lime Crime Diamond Crushers. I'm pretty sure these are for your lips, but I'm not using them for my lips. So this one is Choke. This one is Summer. And then this one is Lit. So let me swatch them really quick. Ooh, I forgot about these. I picked these up from, pretty sure, like TJ Maxx as well. So this is Lit. And if I remember correctly, I want to say they were $5.99. Okay, so this one is Summer. And I don't think I'll be using Summer. And this one is Choke. Ooh. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this one here, which is Lit. All right. And then I'm gonna use this brush that I got and I showed you from an Amazon haul. And we're going to use this to create a little bit of extra pizzazz. And I'm going to put this, so I'm just kind of putting this on the tip of this brush. And I'm going to create a line. You're not going to be able to see me do it. So I'm going to go off camera and come back. But I'm basically going to create a line from this corner and then about half, I don't know if I'm going to go halfway or I'm going to take it further out. But that's what I'm going to do, just to kind of like sparkle it up a little bit, because I just need something extra. All right, I'm back. I left and just went ahead, did my full face and finished off my eyes, but I am going to share with you some products. So on my lower lash line, I ended up mixing this brow bar with the color Element to kind of deepen up my lower lash line. Also for my eyeliner, I used the Tarte, this eyeliner, so it has two sides. This side I use for my waterline, and then this side, which is like the liquid pen, I used to create my wing. For my lips, I used this Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner by LA Girl in Lasting Brown. So yes, this is an eyeliner, but I use it for lip liner. And then over top of that, I use the Kat Von D Blossom liquid lipstick, and this is like a mini, and this is really good. They're nice and creamy, and they smell good. I want to say they smell like marshmallowy. So if you see these Kat Von D liquid lipsticks, I would say pick them up. It says lip cream, so pick these up if you see them at Sephora or Ulta or wherever. I wanted to share because I actually did a first impressions video the other day, but it did not come out well, so I just deleted it. But this was one of the items in that first impressions. It's this Hard Candy Energizing Primer Veil. This kind of smells like vitamin C tablets. It smells really good. I like the orange scent. And then also I found this in the clearance section of Walmart, so it was $5.35. Check your clearance section. If you see it, I would recommend picking it up. It was definitely moisturizing on my face and it smelled nice, so I wanted to share that with you. For my mascara, I used my favorites. So I first put on this Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. It is waterproof. And then to kind of add some extra length, I actually used this False Lashes by Essence. This one says Extreme Volume and Curl. Check these out. These are also at Ulta and they're like $5, so they're affordable. And that's everything I wanted to share with you, because those are the products that I'm really enjoying, that I've kind of been using behind the scenes like almost every day. Let me know what you think of this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Make sure you start commenting so I can see you, so when I do that giveaway, you'll be a part of the giveaway and you'll be able to follow the instructions to enter the giveaway. I do not know when that's going to happen. I'm just starting to collect makeup to do the giveaway now, so sometime in the future. I think I'm gonna wait till I get to a certain subscriber count, but I will be talking about that later in the future. give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or if you like this soft look. I actually was able to create a soft look, but I did add this lime crime. This is a lip topper, but I used it as an eyeliner, which is how I like to use them, but to create like some extra bling there on my eye. So I like that. And yeah, we'll go ahead and close out the video. Thanks for watching.